White powder is a sign of corrosion, which is caused by a chemical reaction between the battery's acid and the air. Battery acid releases hydrogen gas that reacts with the air and forms a corrosive environment. Battery corrosion shows up as a white, green, or blue-tinged substance on your car's battery posts, terminals, or cables, or in my case where it shouldn't, out of the bottom corner of the battery. If this is happening on the bottom of your battery, it means acid is coming out of the battery where it shouldn't, and the battery should be replaced and the area needs to be cleaned. Today, we're going to show you how to clean the battery tray on the Porsche Boxster and replace the battery, if this happens to you. Open the front trunk and remove the battery cover. We can see how we were kind of lucky. While it looks bad, the leak is not nearly as heinous as it could be. It's a good thing we caught it rather than let it fester for years, because the fuel tank is underneath. Not to blame Porsche designers, I think we need to be careful about the batteries we choose, and this one came with the car. Start by removing the negative terminal using a 10mm socket, cover it up, and remove the positive terminal, and cover it up. Remove the vent tube. Using a 13mm socket, remove the metal retaining bracket at the bottom. With that, the battery comes out. We can step into the frunk to remove it. The car can take it.
It is indeed 13. Should just tilt it this way, gently remove. There we go, we get the plate out.
There are a variety of ways to get corrosion off. I choose the scrub aggressively with baking soda and warm water option, making sure to thoroughly dry once done, to not leave any water on it. More aggressive scrubbing. And don't forget to clean the 3 openings for the different positions of the metal bracket holding the battery in.
The fuel tank opening goes more towards the right, so the rounded section goes towards the right like so. You'll lower the front end first, and the back, onto these posts. Such that the 3 holes are on the left like so, rounded is on the right.
And at this point we reinstall the battery, sliding it to the right once inserted, fastening down the metal bracket 13mm, reconnecting the positive and negative terminals, and making sure to reconnect the vent tube.
Leave it open until the first start,
so that if your new battery is flat, you'll be able to charge it directly. Otherwise, the frunk is electronically actuated and will be stuck out, but otherwise you're done. Now enjoy your leak-free battery, and I hope you have a great day.